Hello student, myself Momo Roy. I am lecturer of the Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is National Congress Building, which is the module 5.2. Subject is contemporary architecture, example of international style. The three power square architect is known as the three power square Oscar Niemeyer, and built at the year of 1956 to 1958, and location is Brasilia, Brazil. The President Juscelino Kubitschek realized the companion promise. The 50 years of progress in 1956 launched the idea conceived in 1789 and Article 3 in Constitution drafted 1891. Build a new capital city, submit to Congress the message to the Annapolis. We approve that the year of the House and Senate was the work of the urban planning in the hands of Lúcio Costa, and the building design is the architect Oscar Niemeyer. The three power square or the paradox thrice process the Portuguese is named after its surrounding being the three governmental power of the Brazil. Executive represented by the presidential office, the legislative building represented by the National Congress, and the judiciary represented by the Federal Supreme Court or Suprema. The location of this National Congress building is the Brasilia, an outline which is wide corridor garden bordered by the two wide avenue and separated the city into the two areas like a north and south. The corridor end at the plaza or the three powers, where the Federal Supreme Court and the National Congress with its own twin towers and dome. That is the Plantello Palace, where is the president and or the executive before three power, and square is the splendid of ministers with their repetitive building that create the semblance of order in line with that should be the government. Here is the pictures of the National Congress building. Very important part, it is called also the twin tower because the modular structure as well as the geometrical form like hemisphere or the hyperbola. The concept, the plaza of the three power or Portuguese power is the place of some drive from the meeting to three governmental power around. The executive represented by the Plantello Palace and legislative represented by the Congress National Building, judiciary and represented by the Supreme Federal Court, and it is the biggest attractions of the Brasilia. Now topic is space. The space or the entire area set in a arrange around a square and complete a monumental axis of the city to Brasilia. According to his approach, asked that the high street and are the first king that makes the distance from the Congress building. Behind him a square and east side of the Plantello Palace, Supreme Court. At the center of the square, just behind the building of the Congress, is the Museum of the Foundation of Brasilia. As the only added the element of whole project from the beginning. The picture is show the elevation, front elevations of the building. Here we will see that the two rectangular high-rise block connected with the base is also horizontal rectangular block, and the two inverted hemisphere the two side, right side and left side, and plan, ground floor plan and upper floor plan. The palace, the generous flat roof above the 9 fins to protect the facade of the direct sun, while the element that from the perimeter of the colonnade are analogous and direction perpendicular to the facade. It is creating a visual map, the section. giving a sense of privacy in an area. Moreover, it is very important to transfer its interior in addition to being located on the site with no nearby, thus can be seen from the distance its foresight. The palace is 4 stories high and covers an area 36,000 square meter. 4 other adjacent buildings are also part of this complex. It is the Supreme Court. The lines that define the court are very similar to the Planetary Palace, with an air of the modern temple placed at the platform that seems to float above the ground. Not surprisingly, both buildings are similar scenes, and they were designed in the conjunction with the projection of the square of 3 branches and are replaced symmetrically with respect to the axis, not just the plaza but the entire city of the Brasilia. Like most government building in the city, it is designed following the style of Brazilian architecture. Located the left hemisphere, the seat of the Senate, and that is the right of the headquarters of the Chamber of the Deputies. These include 2 office towers. The Congress also occupy other surrounding buildings, some of which are interconnected by a tunnel. The building is full of duality. On the one hand, horizontal line that create the building section and scene the distance of the indistinguishable and from the square and contrast with the vertically of the 2 office tower which is turned set into the flag, making which is easily reachable from the almost anywhere in the city. On the other side, the horizontal surface of the generates the deck of the building where the meeting are placed opposing surface, one concave and other is convex, the hosting them in the Senate and the Chamber of the Deputies. Now discuss about the material. Dominated the set of the usual work in the Neymar with shaders which are given to his occasion placed by the white marble and concrete surface treated during the process of putting the work and achieve the maintain the color.